Well, this is a very quick video because I went with my friend to pick up his FJR from Baron Bangkok, and it's really the best shop in Bangkok to come if you need service or you want to buy any kind of really unique motorbike in Thailand. There are other good shops in Bangkok and Thailand, but if you really want something really unique like my friend's FJR with a shaft drive, this is really the only place to come where you guarantee the workshop will know what they're doing. There's a quick look at the workshop. They've got some really unique bikes in here. They don't really work on anything, more so than even if stuff that's not a conventional change eye. And I understand it's the only shop, one of the few shops in Thailand that have a proper motorcycle rolling road. This is inside the office area and retail area. They don't have a great deal of stock, but what they do have is all the properly genuine parts, which is quite hard to find sometimes in Thailand, where it's like lots of knockoff parts, but like at Red Baron, everything's like completely genuine. And despite the website being mostly in Thai, the staff speak excellent English, so for any foreigners, don't be put off by the website being in Thai. I'll drop a link to their website in the section below. There's a really cool Ducati, just an example of kind of level of motorbikes they have. And the ultimate motorbike is like probably the most expensive and specialized is the Moto Tessa. I've hardly even seen one of these in Europe when I've hung around a lot of racetracks, and I've probably only seen the Moto Tessa like 2 or 3 times in my whole life, and they've got one in Thailand, so I'm pretty surprised. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. This is a very quick video. Please subscribe. There'll be better videos coming soon. Thank you so much.